get this done. The feedlot will be down below here. Plan is to at least hold one semi-load, if not two semi-loads of cattle. Got 120 foot of bunk here. Gonna have to do a little, have to put a neck rail and maybe even like a backsplash in there for when I auger out of my wagon, so it's not going over shooting it. But there's already poster set here for two separate pins. I have to get my outer post straightened back up out here, and my header board's up. Be 32 foot below here now. We're going to drop 2 foot, so there'll be 2 foot of airflow coming through the top of the building, the peak here now. Main thing that the barn was for is I start lightweight calves, and there'll be right here will be 20 foot by 30 foot one pin. This will be the second pin. Right here will be the third pin, and then right here will be a 10 foot by 30 foot pin. There'll be my sick pin, and then we'll go down and chutes, or be stacked gates down through there, a load out in the far corner, and it'll come around, and my head chute will go kind of there in the center. Need to get some more gates hung here, and I just kind of hung these gates here temporary. They were some extra field gates I had. I'm going to have to buy some heavy duty gates or have some made. They're taller because I'm not going to trust these things. I did make the hangers that are on the post so that the gates will swing like 100 and I think it's 180 degrees or more. Anyway, it'll swing like 3/4 of the way around the post the way I brought them out. I need to hang a gate right here in this corner yet so I can bring cattle in there, or here all through the center, either way. But there'll be a gate at each one of these down through here, so at this 20 foot pin, the other 20 foot pin, I can close them gates off and run cattle up the alleyway to get down to the corner to either the load out or go around to the head chute. It's pretty well underway. Pleased with what I've got done so far. Just need to, I think we're going to get our gates hung and pins built in here first, and so I can get this part used this winter. Right now I'm not feeding any cattle, just starting lightweight calves, so the lower side, not worried about that. It might not even get started till spring of next year. I do have the metal for it. I have the rafters. I just need the sheeting boards, the 2x4s I think, and the header boards. I had the header boards, but we ended up using them 2x8s to wrap the outside of the building with. So anyway, progress is taking shape, so just want to give everybody kind of a little update, and hopefully get another video here in a week or so. Each one of these pins will have an outset like this. I have water right here to this automatic water. I'm going to just trench down along and put I'm not going to put automatic waters in because I am starting lightweight calves or stockyard calves, whatever. So I'm just going to put tubs on the outside, pour just a little pad on the outside and the inside here. All the base of this barn's going to get this crush run from now. I'm honestly not even really worried about concrete at this point. Cattle seem to be on crushed stone just as good as anything. But anyway, there'll be a tank here, a tank down there at that next end of that gate right there. That should get both these pins and the sick pin all. I can turn my tubs long ways if I want to separate. and not have them drinking out of the same tub or crossways. If I want them to utilize the same tub, whatever, depends on what I'm doing in here. You know, if you don't want them cross utilizing the water, we can turn it the other way. But anyway, we're going to put frost-free spigots in there instead of in tubs rather than automatic waters, because I want to be able to clean them out, dump them, and have some running water where they can hear it if I need be. So get them started. Anyway, hope that explains a little bit. Any questions, comments, leave them. All that good YouTube nonsense. Thanks. Comment, rate, and subscribe.